The Klippan Opti is a rear-facing child seat for children from about 9 to 32 kilograms, 61 to 125 centimeters tall. It's fully approved to the latest safety standards. It features innovative head protection and a removable padded liner for smaller children and will grow with your child. Please note this seat is not designed for a newborn. Very small babies should always be placed in appropriate infant carriers. Remember, a rear-facing seat is far safer for your child, and we will always recommend rear-facing for as long as possible. Fitting the Opti is straightforward. Not all cars will be suitable, however, especially those with underfloor storage. Check with your specialist retailer. At the front of the seat cushion, there is a recline bar. The angle of the seat may be adjusted. Young children should be reclined. As they get older, children will become more tolerant to sitting upright. This anti-rotational device, the foot prop, is to support the seat in the event of a collision. Adjustment is simple. As with all seats of this type, the Klippan Opti features a 5-point harness. Loosen the straps for the child to get in, then tighten securely to ensure there is no slack. Ensure the headrest is adjusted to suit your child by pressing the adjuster at the back of the seat and sliding the headrest up and down. And, if necessary, adjust the position of the shoulder straps by moving this bar at the back. It clips into one of 3 positions. The Klippan Opti is fitted to your car using the standard adult 3-point seatbelt together with a locking clip, as well as 2 tethers fixed to the front seat frame. Tethers stop the seat rebounding after an impact, like this. At one end there's a keyhole fitting, which fits onto the Klippan Opti. The other end of any tether has a loop, which is normally used to thread around either side of the front seat frame. In a few cars there is a bar or specially designed fittings for this purpose. Check your manual. The tether is fully adjustable. To fit most cars, start at the front of the seat and feed the looped ends of the tethers through the seat between the cushion and the backrest. Then take the other end around the side of the seat, pass it through the loop, pulling tightly. Fit the keyhole fittings to the seat and take up the slack, but do not fully tighten. Next, prepare the seatbelt. Pull out as much as you can and double up the webbing, holding the tongue in your other hand. There are 2 green loops either side of the seat base. Thread the belt through the first, under the cushioning, and then through the second. Finally, click into the buckle. Ensure there is no slack. Take the top part of the seatbelt webbing and remove all the slack from the lap belt crossing the cushion. It's important to fit the green lock near the buckle. This prevents the seatbelt loosening. Finally, tighten the tethers equally and check the seat is secure. A correct fit results in little lateral, forward or backward movement. Remember to ensure your child isn't wearing thick clothing whilst riding in a car seat, and ensure the straps are tight. Place 2 fingers under the harness pads to ensure correct tightness. The harness should not be loose. The Klippan Opti is one of a few rear-facing seats that will accommodate older children and may last until your child is 7 to 8 years old. A car seat is the most important thing that you'll ever buy for your child's safety. Check regularly that it's securely fitted. For more information, contact the child seat specialists at the In-Car Safety Centre or go to incarsafetycentre.co.uk.